Good morning to all. I am Rupinder Kaur, Department of Hotel Management, RPIIT Campus Karnal. Today my topic is service equipments, type, uses and care and maintenance. Introduction. The equipment used in food and beverage service industry to provide proper and prompt service to the guest. Number 2. The operating equipment used in hotels play an important role in attracting the customer. Number 3. Attractive serviceware, color and clean dishes, plates and glassware add to the decor of the restaurant. Number 4. The choice of service equipment usually reflect the standard and style of a restaurant. These are the basic introduction of the service equipments. However, several factors that have to be considered while selecting the equipments. A hotel should be well stocked with the appropriate equipment to provide the quality service for multi-purpose use and cut down the cost. Most hotels standardize equipment in terms of size and color. Next, for laying a cover on the table, we need following items. First is flatware. Flatware referring to the denote all forms of spoon and forks. Number 2, glassware. Glassware refer to the all types of glasses being used in restaurant for various purposes. Cutlery. Cutlery refer to knives and other cutting implements which are used in the table laying. Hollowwares. Hollowware refer to any item made from the silver, for example, bowls, containers, teapots. These are the part of the hollowware. Stainless steel. Examples: teapots, milk jug, sugar basins, oval flats, etc. Crockery. These refer to all item and form from China. Criteria for selecting service tools and equipment. Types of service offered and the category of the guest entertained. Number 2. Size of the outlet and layout of the food and beverage service area. These are the some points while selecting the service tools or equipment for a particular restaurant or any outlet. Durability of equipments. Cost and ease of maintenance. It means while you purchasing the equipment, it should be cost effective and long durability of long term. Availability of the stocks, facility of its storage and flexibility of uses of equipment. Price factor is also the main concern while you purchasing the equipment for any outlet. Design, shape and color and delivery time of the equipment is also considered while you are selecting the service equipment for a particular unit or outlet. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel RPIIT Academy.